Today's the day, people. It's so messy in here. Hey guys, so I just finished making my cake pops and my cupcakes. They turned out okay, not what I wanted them to look like. We're finishing off the decoration. Oh gosh, mind my hair. Finishing off the decoration for the room. It's day 33, guys.
So then we're gonna have something to eat. So the food has.
I can guess the poo in the nappy game.
Yum. Baby hooded towel.
Yeah, thank you so much for honoring the invitation. I'm so happy that you could all make it today. We give glory to them. I'm so touched by the love, the support, the prayers, and he knew the right people to be with us during this season in our lives. Not only faithful in providing the greatest gift in our baby, but he's been faithful in his supply. He's been faithful in answering prayers, and from the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you all. Father God, we give you all the glory and the honor. We thank you, Lord, that you are here. Hi everyone!
Hi.
So we just finished our baby shower and it was just a lovely time. I mean, I won all the games, but they had to take all the prizes away from me because I was just really, really good.
She's lying. She's lying.
I really want some cake. I ain't gonna do it. I'm just gonna stick to my popcorn, guys. My high fiber popcorn. And this is Anna Banana. How did you like the baby shower?
It was really fun.
And how did you like the baby shower?
Chris?
I want a gift.
And you know what, guys? Believe it or not, I didn't eat anything that's on that table. I ate a mandarin, banana, and popcorn. I went to go and pick up some food. A box that I had made from Walk It Up, and I specifically said broccoli noodles instead of brown rice, and they gave me brown rice. I want to be honest with you, so I mean, it's closed now, so I can't return it, and I probably should have checked when I picked up the food, but I didn't. I just came straight home. I'm hungry and I'm gonna eat it. This is the first time I've eaten brown rice in my whole 33 days. But I'm hungry and I'm gonna eat it.